So last night I was just having, the best time of my life with my friends, and we ran out of cigarettes, so we stopped by a gas station, and I accidentally left my wallet on the counter. Now, I don't even have words to explain how I feel, because it was my fault. Like, I should have paid attention, but I didn't. But then again, what pisses me off the most is that there's nobody turning in a wallet. Nobody has contacted me, and my ID is on there. Like, nobody's looking me up on Facebook. Like, why are you not doing that? If you find a wallet at a gas station, turn it into the counter. Like, don't take it with you. Don't steal it. Like, maybe there was like 80 bucks in there. I don't want the money. I just really want what was in my wallet. Like, my social security card's in there. Like, my ID. Like, the trouble to go to the DMV, the trouble to go to the social security office. I mean, it's just a hot mess, and there's debit cards in there. Like, and it's just like, I feel like whoever has it, like, has brought my identity. Like, now I'm so paranoid, like, oh my god, like, are you gonna go work? Like, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna steal my identity? Like, what is gonna happen now? Like, I am freaking out. So I'm gonna go tomorrow to the gas station, and I'm going to view the surveillance cameras. Now I'm completely paranoid that the person at the counter took it, and they went around and they tempered the tape. Now I'm so paranoid. Like, I'm thinking of all these conclusions in my head, like, what happened with my wallet, like, like the worst. Like, if you took my wallet, bring my wallet back. It just really pisses me off. Like, why would you do that? Like, is there no good people in the world anymore? Like, it just makes me mad. Like, I understand that it was my fault, but that I'm venting, since I don't have no one to vent to right now, because I've already vented to them. But if something like this has happened to you, just comment, message me, and let me know what I should do, or words of encouragement to not be mad at myself for losing my wallet. Alright.